Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Word on a Mac computer 2025. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365 and the desktop application Microsoft Word. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to Launchpad. Let's now search for Microsoft Word. Open up the desktop application. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, we are now presented with a template that will allow us to create a Word document, blank document. We can take a tour, we can take notes, we can view the calendar, create resume, designed by MOO, or even a cover letter if we have to. For this tutorial, let's just click on blank document, click on create. Let's X out of Office Update. We now want to, let's just say, zoom into the Word document using a trackpad, or we can go to the bottom right corner, or we can increase and decrease, or we can use Command plus or Command minus to increase the size of the Word document. Let's now type something onto the screen. Computer Science Videos. Let's now highlight this, right click, copy, go to a new line, paste 3 times. Go to the first, Computer Science Videos. Let's centralize this. Put that in bold and increase the size to make a title for this Word document. I want to, let's just say now, insert a picture from File. Let's navigate to Documents, My YouTube channel. Before we do that, let's now change to icons. Click on My YouTube channel. We should have YouTube icon. Click on Insert. And that image has now been inserted into the Word document. Another alternative way we could have done that is, let's delete that. Go all the way down to the dock. Go to Finder. Go to Documents, My YouTube channel. Locate that image and then drag and drop to your Word document. Let's now decrease the size of that image itself. Let's go to a new line. I want to insert a table, 2 by 3. Let's just say item 1, item 2, item 3. The first item could be an iPhone. The second item could be an iPad. The third item could be a MacBook Pro, and so on. So that's how you insert a table. Let's now draw something onto the screen. Let's click the black pen, C, S, V for Computer Science Videos. If I was to erase that, click on the eraser and remove what we have drawn on screen. Let's go to Layout. We can change the orientation from portrait to landscape. Decrease the size of the Word document on screen, we can change the margins to narrow. We can also change from A4 to A5. Command Z to undo that. Go back to normal margins. Go back to portrait. Go to home. Let's now go to insert and then go to shapes. I can insert a square. Draw the square out on screen. Let's go to a new line. Go back to insert. Insert an icon from stock images. Let's insert a clock. Insert one, and there we have it. If I want to move this around, right click the image. Go to wrap text and click on tight. This therefore allows me to move that inserted image anywhere onto the page or within the table if I wish to. Let's now take that out of the table. Let's go back to insert. I want to insert a chart, a column, 2D column. Click on that, wait for that to be inserted. And so as you can see that we have clicked on insert the chart, Excel has opened up. We can change the values, the categories, the title, all through Excel and watch that change up in real time. Let's now quit Excel for the moment. So that's the chart inserted. If we go to chart design, edit data in Excel, this will take us directly to the Excel file that was implemented via Microsoft Word. Let's now quit Excel again. Let's now quit stock images. Let's now click on File, File, Save. Go to the desktop. Change this title to document.docx. We can also go to File, go to Save As, and then file format change to PDF. Export. Quit Word for the moment. Go to the desktop, and then we have that document.pdf on screen for us. Quit preview. Go back to document.docx. Double click on this to open up in Microsoft Word. And there we go. We can also, if we wish to, have this shared to OneDrive if we need to. So let's just click on upload to OneDrive. You would have to grant access to sync changes with OneDrive. Let's now grant access. Grant access. Click on OK. OK again. This has now saved in OneDrive. As you can see, it was on the desktop. Go to Finder, go to ComputerScienceVideos, OneDrive, and there we have it. Document.x is in OneDrive. If I were to, let's just say now, click on Autosave Off. Although this is still in the OneDrive, we won't see these changes being made in real time until the autosave is on. This is also accessible through OneDrive, through the website Office 365. So we can now quit Microsoft Word. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.